So the last card sleeve that we have is this one from Vault X. Okay, so this is going to be exact fit card sleeves for standard 63 by 88 millimeter cards, inner sleeves for double sleeving. It fits inside standard sleeves, ultra high clarity. And let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, so this right here is the Vault X exact fit card sleeve. Okay, so it is ultra clear, and with that, not much to say about it. I mean, there's no texture about it. You do have the edges, which are going to be more protective than a regular penny sleeve. So inserting the card, it's fairly easy to actually insert. Now, what we have here is an exact fit card sleeve. So if we compare this to the regular penny sleeve where there is some leeway, it really depends on what you want. Do you want there to be some leeway within your card sleeves, or would you like exact fitting card sleeves? Now, one thing to note with this exact fit card sleeve is that the corners don't really bend. I mean, they bend with moderate touch, or actually I'd say light to moderate touch. So you do risk damaging your cards if this ever bangs up against something. But with this tight fit though, if you prefer the tight fit, then go with this one here. As comparison, this right one is just a regular penny sleeve, and this one here is the Vault X penny sleeve. They both are ultra clear, okay? I think what matters more is that I'd say that with light touch, the corners of this penny card sleeve are going to bend. Whereas with this one here, it's like light to moderate touch before you actually touch the physicality of your card. So this is what the back portion looks like. And if we close up on how much leeway is left, again, this is an exact fit card. You can see how much leeway is left when it comes to the edges of your card and such. So if you prefer this, maybe you prefer exact fit card sleeves for your binder. Maybe you want to use this in combination with a top loader. This would be a good idea. Now, one thing I want to point out is that with the exact fit, if you load it into a top loader, to me, it actually looks a bit better, okay? So you've got a top loader here with the exact fit. You don't really notice the sleeve at all, as compared to if you use it with a regular penny sleeve where you have like the extra plastic on the sides and you care how that looks. You know, aesthetics is pretty important when it comes to the collection of your cards. This is what it looks like here with the penny sleeve. So it's all due to preference, I'd say. I would say there's not really much of a big difference aside from there being like an exact fit versus a penny sleeve fit. But overall, I mean, I'd say again, light to moderate touch as far as the resistance to this one here bending before it actually touches your card. And me personally, I do prefer there to be a bit more leeway on my edges, especially at the top. Okay, just because I feel like the actual card is exposed with these Vault X exact card sleeves.